Hey guys, this is Ben with Exceptional Glass, 888-83 Glass. Today we are in Montclair, New Jersey. Just wrapping up an installation here for a corner shower with a knee wall and seat combination. All the hardware is in polished chrome and a square decor, meaning all the hardware is all in square shaped. And all of that is to pretty much match up all of the other fixtures in the bathroom. So we've used clamps to enhance that square look. See? And yes, the controls are brushed nickel, but the client chose to use chrome, as everything else in here is chrome. So this was not a mistake for all of you fellow glass persons with opinions to post on videos. So again, we used clamps, and this is kind of like the ladder style, the ladder design for the seat and knee wall. And again, everything's in polished chrome. All the hardware is from CRLaurence, and this was done by Exceptional Glass of New Jersey. So if you need one of these, please feel free to give us a call, 888-83 Glass, or visit our website at njglassdoors.com. Thank you.